Hi, my name is Douglas Ben Tubman. I am a teacher at McMinn County High School in Athens, Tennessee. I have a BA and RX certification in Michigan. I'm originally from Bay City, Michigan. I grew up on the east side of Bay City, not too far from Bay City Central High School, which is where my mom still lives. I am married to my beautiful wife, Nicole, and I have a 7-year-old daughter named London. I'm a 2003 graduate of Grand Valley State University, and in 2021, I was recently named to the Alumni Board of Directors. After graduating from Grand Valley, I moved to Orlando, Florida in 2006, where I was a teacher at Freedom High School for 3 years. I taught psychology, world history, U.S. history, and world geography. I also then taught at Southwest Middle School for 4 years. I taught 2 years of 7th grade geography and 8th grade 2 years of 8th grade U.S. history. I also worked for 6 years at Disney World. Yes, I worked for the mouse for 7 years. The last 9 years I have been teaching in McMinn County High School, which is halfway between Knoxville and Chattanooga, Tennessee. I have been a teacher of English 1, world history, and the last 4 years, AP European history. I do several things at my school. I have served as a member of our school's leadership team. I have served as our school's volunteer sports information director, and for the last years, I have been the advisor of our school's amazing yearbook. I think the best way you create a creative and successful environment in the classroom is, first of all, to have a good, strong agenda as soon as the students come in. Also, to have standards and information they need to know when they come in. In my classes on a normal day, there is a PowerPoint slide as soon as students walk in with what is expected from that day, what we're going to be doing, what they should know, and also any standards, other important information you know. The best way to build rapport with students, families, and other colleagues is to create an environment where respect is the most important thing. I'm a very respectful teacher. I work very well with other colleagues. I also feel to build a good rapport with students and families is to create either a remind or an email chain where I can send out weekly emails to parents telling them what's going on in our classes. The best way to know if all students are engaged in the learning process is I just do checks in the classroom. I ask them a question, does everybody understand this? And give them they give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, or in the middle if they're not real sure. And a lot of times make it even better, I'll even have them put their heads down to show, so that way they're not trying to be embarrassed by what they feel. The other way to do it, show a good way to know the students are all engaged in their learning, is to have them do end of class exit tickets every single day to make certain they understand it. The thing I like most about working with middle school students is the excitement that they bring. Middle school is a very fun age to work at. They're not little itty bitty elementary kids, but they're not big high schoolers either. I've worked in a middle school setting both as an athletic director and as a teacher, and I thoroughly enjoyed my time because the relationships you can build with middle school students are very, very special. So thank you for taking a few minutes to watch my introductory video. I hope that you see, number one, how passionate I am about education, and number two, all of the advantages that I can bring to your school system. My 16 years away from Michigan, I feel made me into a better person. I feel that I'm a better teacher by teaching different students from all over parts of the country. I've been gone for more than 5,700 days since I left in July of 2006. And in the words of Chris Daughtry, these places and these faces are getting old, so I want to come home. Thank you again.